Hello, everybody. I'm Rudrani, and I'm so excited to welcome you to yet another episode of Zoom Insider. जी हाँ, वही शो जहाँ हम आपको आपके फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटी के घरों के अंदर एंट्री दिलवाते हैं, and of course we have some great conversations too. तो चलिए आज के हमारे सेलिब्रिटी के घर में आपकी एंट्री करवाते हैं. Let's guess who this person is. अगर आपने ये साइन को देखा है यहाँ पे, ये प्यारा सा ये जो साइन है उससे मिलता जुलता कुछ तो एक कनेक्शन है उनका. He's absolutely adorable. He's made his space in the film industry from being from outside and continues to do interesting choices. मैं आ गई हूँ आदित्य सील के घर में, and of course he's happily married with his wife Anushka Ranjan, both actors, and this is their house. तो चलो देखते हैं आदित्य सील के घर के अंदर.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? How are you? It's so good to see you.
How are you? Look at this house. I have to give him one more hug, yaar. It's been a while. Come. Thank you so much.
you.
This looks stunning.
Thank you. And thank you for coming over.
This is fantastic. और अंदर जाने से पहले ये छोटा सा beautiful सा corner है.
जी हाँ.
I love candles, essence and all of that. So my favorite corner already.
I love this corner as well. That is basically जो हमारी हल्दी का जो ceremony था. So obviously hers is much darker. She's the more dominant one, clearly.
या बदले मुझे लगता है कि बहुत प्यारा सा एक recollection होता है. I love it that you've kept it right in the beginning. You know, it's their safe space. They're both happily married, and this shows it's a house of equals because you know it's a favorite memory that you've kept right. I love it. I love it already.
She's more dominant, clearly.
But मुझे पता है, सच में it's a house of equals. Thank you so much. Let's do this.
Let's do it. Thank you. Thank you.
This is again, I love it. It's actually minimal art. It's beautiful.
The house is exactly done like that. It was Anushka's idea. I said she wanted to keep it minimal, so designing उसने ऐसा किया.
I absolutely love it. Okay, this is so pretty. I know you said minimal, पर मुझे लगता है कि I love that, you know, the wooden textures and the way the panels that have been done here, and this kitchen. Listen. My mother would love it because my mother always believes that kitchen needs to have enough space.
Yeah.
It's the place that you make everybody happy.
Well, I was not of the same opinion.
Really?
But then I was completely ruled out. मैं जाता ही नहीं अंदर. You asked me where's the plate kept? I have no idea. So I have to open 3-4 drawers to figure out. And it's been 3 years I'm living in this house, and Anushka and my mom both are like, you are a part of this house. You live in the house. Why do you not know where the plates are?
तो मतलब खाना बनाना नहीं आता?
खाना आता है.
खाना आता है, वो जरूरी है, वो जरूरी है. ऑर्डर करना आता है.
हाँ. उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये लिखा हुआ है ना कि आज क्या बनेगा, कल क्या बनेगा, ये वो. This is mostly for me.
It's so cute. I love it. We're going to read that. आप सोच रहे हो कि क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? हम यहाँ है किचन.
ये एक्चुअली पहले का है.
कोई नहीं, आइडिया तो हो जाए. इसके अराउंड होता है ना आप लोग का usually, right?
उसमें पिज्जा लिखा है तो उसके अराउंड तो नहीं होता.
That is true. You can see how he is.
Oh, this is Anushka's thing. She wanted to have gujju curry. ये पनीर भुर्जी था. ये चीला खाती है वो, some veg tikkas. Saturday was a cheat meal. She had pizzas. ये मुझे पता नहीं क्या कचरी क्या होता है?
कचरी क्या होता है?
मुझे नहीं.
खिचड़ी maybe no.
I don't think so.
No?
नहीं, ये कीनवा है. So
cute and nice and simple. We can know a lot about a person by looking into their fridge, their food habits at least, right? So Let me. Can I?
Like-
Do I have a permission to peep into your?
just letting you all know, मेरा कोई इसमें contribution नहीं है. जो भी अंदर पड़ा है सिवाय एक चीज के जो मैंने कल रात को मंगाई थी, which was like a keto cake. So we've been binging a little bit on keto cake because she's unwell, so she just wants to have no.
So basically,
please.
keto cake is your flourless and sugarless. And
Yes. Oh, it's not a pretty sight.
But it's nice. I see a lot of masalas and stuff. I love it. I can see like a nice spicy
Chili oil, that's homemade. She makes it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anushka makes it at home.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love chili oil. So I mean like, this is decent. I see ghar ka khana a little bit.
It's usually more organized, but she's been in bed for a month.
I know.
So
Anushka was going to join us, and it's
Yeah.
unfortunate because she's very ill with her slip disc. So we
Yes.
wish her speedy recovery
Thank
for sure.
you. Thank you.
So, but pick out something that you really binge into when you're in a mood to not diet.
that cake, that keto
Yeah.
cake. Oh
You
yeah.
still keep it a little healthy. You don't want
Yes,
to.
yes.
Not your gooey chocolate cake.
I'm not a big fan of dessert as such, but ये एक specific है, and she makes like amazing blueberry cheesecake नहीं, blueberry cakes and outstanding.
So I saw chili oil, so that is Anushka's.
Yeah, I can't have spices
You
at
can't
all.
have spice. So I'm assuming you're more like spiceless, but
Yes.
है ना?
I
थोड़ा
can't do it.
Bland
मेरे को-
थोड़ा.
मुझे आप थोड़ा सा भी दे दो spice and my ears start getting hot.
Oh,
It bothers me so much.
So then that's how it is for you. Pizza लिखा हुआ है Saturday को, ये last Saturday का हो सकता है.
हाँ,
मुझे
ये
पता
last
है.
Saturday.
तो cheat meal में pizza?
Cheat meal में pizza.
Usually pizza और क्या?
पिज्जा या बर्गर अभी हमने आई थिंक पहले सैटरडे का होगा, उसके बाद हमने आई थिंक एक बर्गर मंगाया था. दैट वाज अगेन अ चीट मील, बट या पिज्जा बर्गर्स या कभी वो रोड साइड जो चाइनीज होता है.
What is something that you really love that she cooked last time, and yeah, something that the favorite, and then also your what is the mom cook that you love?
Mom is an amazing cook. She makes really good food. अभी बहुत टाइम से बनाया नहीं,
Yeah.
but अभी लास्ट टाइम उन्होंने आई थिंक संडे को ही बनाया था, which was so she made साबूदाना खिचड़ी. It was fabulous. Anushka makes I love burgers. I love specifically McDonald's ka burgers, and Anushka has started making her own burgers, but a healthier burger. And
Like the quinoa, like bun with like all of that.
no, she makes chicken for us. She doesn't eat anymore, so she makes it for us. But जो उसका ऊपर का crispy layer होता है, that's not bread, that's
Correct.
cornflakes का कुछ करके,
Yeah,
so the
yeah.
crisp is there. And मतलब मैंने McDonald's खाना छोड़ दिया है. My mom loves McDonald's का burgers, but she's left it.
तो ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा. The way to man's heart is through his stomach. That's true.
Yep.
We'll talk a lot more about love and all that, but किचन एरिया में है. I want to know what your schedule looks like, eating schedule. कि अगर आप शूट पे हो तो आदित्य का दिन में कैसा होगा? लाइक सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाएंगे, लंच में क्या खाएंगे, इवनिंग में क्या खाएंगे, एंड फाइनल डिनर में क्या
मैं
खाएंगे?
यूजुअली आई ट्राई एंड कीप माई मील्स मोस्टली सेम. जैसे ऑफ लेट अभी मैंने शुरू किया, आई हैव बुलेट कॉफी इन द मॉर्निंग
Correct.
एंड आई हैव सम बनाना एंड देन आई गो फॉर अ जॉग इन द जिम एंड सम एब्स कर लिए. फिर उसके बाद आके आई हैव माई ब्रेकफास्ट एंड आफ्टर अ बिट आई गो फॉर माई वर्कआउट, और mostly after my lunch is when I go for my workouts.
Correct.
Then I come back and then I have some evening is protein shake with some maybe black chana jo hota hai, or maybe some sprouts.
Sure.
And then dinners would be chicken stew with some vegetables and all of that.
That's hardcore. And, yeah, I think everything is well planned here as well, right?
Yes.
Again, I
Yes.
see the white in the entire house. White is a theme.
Yeah.
You know, you've made sure you all have kept hues of white in it. You know, थोड़ा creamish, कहीं जगहों पे कुछ.
Correct.
The idea always was to do that, right?
Yes, the idea always was to do that, to keep it minimal, to keep मतलब अनुष्का's thing was कि कोई अगर घर में घुसे तो उसको लगना नहीं चाहिए कि हम इंडिया में हैं. So she just wanted to keep it white, and because we have both sides open light,
Correct.
so it just makes the place a lot more bright. And then fortunately we have a good view यहाँ पे, you know, you have a lot of greenery out there.
Yes, you do.
So it's just beautiful, not to dampen the place, but just to keep it. But the funny part is कि अगर आप शाम को आओगे ना, evening में, the
जी.
house looks absolutely different. Because then we have the mood lights on and the lamps are on, the music is going on, the house looks very different.
Warm lights are beautiful.
Oh yes.
अब एक और इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट में जाएंगे. फूड रिलेटेड है, ड्रिंक्स रिलेटेड है, पार्टी रिलेटेड है,
Interesting part में
इंटरेस्टिंग
जाएंगे।
पार्ट जाएंगे।
Do
I
you?
love this tropical vibes. It's
Yeah.
already making me feel like this is a very important part.
It is the most important part of the house. It's the bar.
Ooh, it
Yeah.
is.
Most of the memories are made over here.
बिल्कुल।
Things that you want to forget.
Truth bombs. लोग अपने दिल की बात करते हैं यहाँ पे। But interestingly, you all have, you know, I love कि आपने ये space utilize किया है.
Yeah.
I love that आपने you've used this wallpaper. You know, you've
Yeah.
made this space that could have just not been used very cleverly.
So our previous owners जो यहाँ पे रहते थे, so they had kept it nothing. यहाँ पे उन्होंने कुछ painted walls, painted glass paintings का एक wall था, and this entire space at the back was just wasted, and which we thought that doesn't make sense. We can actually have a bar over here, so we get the living room over there. You wanna have some, people wanna get a corner, they can easily come over here. This fortunately space is decent enough space, so the girl who works at home, so this is her private space, this is her private room there. तो ऐसे काफी अच्छा
Space management in Mumbai is very very important.
very important. Because this is, we live in matchboxes.
I know. इसीलिए वो ये घर मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है because it's really like open in that sense.
Yeah.
We are standing in your favorite area. जहाँ पे how are you as a host? How would you rate yourself as a host? You've hosted parties, both you and Anushka.
I'm a 6 on 10. She, I think, is a 16 on 10, so we compensate like
Oh,
that.
so cute. Now you have
She's
to
a
give reasons.
fabulous host.
Yeah?
Oh yes,
Tell
she's
me
the
a
life
bit-
of the party usually.
Okay. Yeah, but you're also like, I'm sure like now you're getting used to it. I know you're more reticent compared to her.
Yeah, far more. So it's like I've entered her world, but when she's around, even if it's my friends, they want her to be around because she's so much more fun. She's so much more entertainment.
As is so completely opposite. Basically, like the yin and the yang.
Oh
type
yeah,
of
we
situation.
are absolute opposites. Matlab, even our lifestyle has been very different. The places we used to go and visit were very different. I would have never met her had it not been for that one particular day.
Oh yeah, you all met at like the you went for an NGO if I'm not wrong, right?
Her
Like
NGO, her and her mother's
Yeah,
NGO called
Beti.
Beti. So that's where I met her for the first time. And otherwise, अगर मैं उस दिन नहीं जाता तो कोई chance ही नहीं था हमारा मिलने का.
So I'm assuming she must have been the one to approach you first, like, or am I wrong?
Well, I'll tell
Am I
you.
wrong?
No, you're not.
मुझे लग रहा था.
So she got to know of me through somebody.
Okay.
We didn't know each other at all. So she had seen some pictures. She says it in a nicer way. If I say it just sounds like I'm gloating.
नहीं अब से Anushka was supposed to join us, so please, he's not gloating. He's telling the truth.
I'm not gloating. This is what she'll tell you.
I think everybody knows.
Otherwise,
he's very cute. I know what you're about to say.
yeah. So she thought that, oh my God, who is he? Yeah, no. So then she started stalking me a little bit, and then in a couple of days, actually in a couple of weeks. They had the event coming up, and she approached her photographer friend Rahul Jangiani. Ki, if you worked with somebody recently, then
Correct.
And he said, I'm on. And then उन्होंने जाल बिछाया अपना,
जाल बिछाया अपना, but so cute.
मुझे फांस लिया.
ओहो, आप फंसना चाहते थे, दिख रहा है मुझे.
मैं तो चाह रहा था कब से. उसके बाद तो I was the one asking her to date me, and she said कि no, let's just be friends. I said, are you mad? I said, I'm not asking for a relationship. I'm wanting to give you more.
Yeah.
So her house, her
Yeah.
mother's house, this is the A wing of the building.
Correct.
Hers is in the B wing.
Oh.
So I shifted here right
Of
before
course.
the wedding. So I had been to her house, I had met her parents, Evo, and she was a little skeptical about me because she wanted to get to know me, and she said, if I don't know where you live, if I don't know your parents, if I don't know your friends, I don't really know you, I can't consider you a friend. So she was the one who took the initiative to get to know me a lot more.
How sweet.
Yeah.
But और भी बातें करेंगे हम.
Please.
But we have to also keep looking at this beautiful house. ये वाला area तो is just stunning. Duplex में बनाना and then to take like this idea of creating a very simple staircase. I find staircases very romantic.
But this was a very complicated one, to be honest.
I know,
so,
it looks.
ये ऐसे था, यहाँ पे there was a landing and it used to come here.
Oh.
So then that's why the entire space was wasted. So we had to break it down and then we made it down straight so we get the entire space.
But I love that you all have kept it, very simple, and
Yeah.
you put glass on it. You see what they
Yeah.
did? उन्होंने glass लगाया यहाँ पे, not the usual paneling or whatever that they do.
Because we didn't want कि कुछ view block हो और light block हो. So that's why we kept the house like that.
Clever, very clever. But I love it. I don't know. I've always.
Oh, you will
found-
see the glass thing in the living room also. There's a room which is little separated from
Correct.
the living room,
Yeah.
but then it's also by a glass so that it can be used in the living room, but it has a separation. तो उस तरीके से.
Love it. जाने से पहले हम admire करना चाहते हैं this is the kind of chandeliers we need to have more.
So there are just few things in the house
Yeah.
that I can take credit for.
Yay.
कि ये मैंने किया है. एक
So
तो
cute.
ये था पूरा, इसके अंदर लाइट वाइट जो भी था ये सब मेरा था. And this entire chandelier was my idea. We got everything from Dubai because it felt it costed us much lesser.
Of course.
And तो ये एक हम स्टोर में
सुंदर है.
गए and she said कि let's try and get this. I said, and she said she wanted to get all same. I said no, let's do all four है ना. हाँ, let's do all four different.
Which is what I said. It's such a nice thing. Also aesthetically
Yeah.
amazing. Chef's kiss. But we'll come to this area. हम लोग आने वाले हैं इस area पे again. I can see the panel that you said, the mirror like partition that you've
partition,
done, the
yeah.
glass partition that you've done.
Yeah.
But most importantly, look at the space in this house. It's just beautiful.
Thank you.
And हम लोग पेट पूजा की बातें कर रहे थे और ये एरिया बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ सब खुश रहते हैं
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि हम लोग खा रहे होते हैं यहाँ पे.
अभी हमारा क्रिसमस का भी प्लान बन गया है. So we are having a full sit down dinner with friends and all of that. Fancy.
Fancy. But with a house like this, I feel like you want to host people.
I've never been a host at all. मेरे घर पे कोई आता नहीं था. Since I've come over here,
I refuse to believe no one is to come.
नहीं आते थे यार. मैं जाता था लोगों के घर पे, मेरे घर कोई नहीं आता था. But then since I've been here, it just feels nice. So I keep calling my friends over. Usually once in a week तो हो ही जाता. कोई भी दिन पे लोग आ ही जाते हैं.
और मुझे लगता है कि घर का वाइब बहुत पॉजिटिव है. You know, मुझे you enter this house and you feel very calm. It's very serene. You see some stunning views, all greenery.
Oh, during monsoons, it's
beautiful. यहाँ बैठ के ऐसे रोमांटिक चाय पी जाती है.
हमेशा मैं और मॉम बाहर वहाँ पे.
है ना यहाँ पे. We're going to show that area as well. But yeah, let's talk about this again. Very interesting things. You know, this is.
Oh, again, this is what I had found.
This is
So
yours.
few
I
things,
love
few
this. So
things,
this
yes.
is what stone is this?
I have no idea.
This is a stone. तो उन्होंने stone use किया है जो हमेशा use नहीं होता है. I love the idea. और उन्होंने फिर यहाँ पे wooden panels, wooden bracket use किया हुआ है.
Yep.
And the entire house का vibe again is very boho chic as you call it. You know, this is the area I feel like you've put your breakfast stuff here a little bit.
Oh
here
no,
and
this
there.
is all mom's snacky stuff.
I love it.
Yeah, she has a chai in the evening तो
Yeah.
उसके साथ. Otherwise, some sauces are here, some oils are here for some. खाते खाते बीच में जरूरत पड़े तब.
But nicely done. Again, shall we talk about this and this?
This was again my find.
Look at you. So you've done a good job.
Yeah. Whatever I've done decent. This was just a good piece that we found somewhere, and I said, makes sense. It just goes with the place. It's a little goldenish. With, this had a gold thing happening in it, so it just matched with it perfectly.
So tell me, आपने कहा कि Christmas kind of like is the way you're planning to have over this. Tell me what will Christmas look like? Like tell me a scene where you all are planning and hosting and doing that thing.
So our Christmas tree is going to be in this corner over here, and it's going to be lit up 24/7 for how many ever days up till after New Year's for sure.
Correct.
And ये सब कुछ हट जाएगा. We're going to be having wow, I know a lot actually. Table runners going, and then plates will be already put. And हम usually नहीं, हम पहली बार potluck कर रहे हैं. So जितने भी मेरे friends आ रहे हैं, so everybody get their own things. And then we'll be having some sangrias is what the plan is.
Love it.
And like a proper good dinner.
Tell me a party that you really hosted here and you loved.
We've done actually a lot of parties over here. One of our anniversary parties was in the house. So when there's a bunch of people, like 30-40 people coming, so ये side में हो जाता है. So it's like I don't know what the table is called. Like everything is laid out, the food is laid out, so you go and pick it up yourself and eat that, and then the entire place becomes like a party place. Some music is happening. Half of the people are at the bar, some of them are here.
So your grazing table is
grazing table. You're right about that. So that is what we do then.
I love it.
Yeah.
You've been to many parties. Tell me who's in the film industry. Who do you think is among the best hosts? Can be 2 or 3. And the most fun you've had, like an epic night that you remember. It can be few nights. Now we should walk a little here and show this area as well.
Please. I think Suzanne is a very good host. She has a lot of parties, and every party is a lot of fun. There are a lot of people in her house. And अभी हमने Halloween theme party भी किया था, so it was fun. It was fun. She's a very good host. उसके अलावा I think we are decent hosts.
Yeah, I knew that was
Yeah.
gonna come.
Yeah.
I think you are. Now you've become.
Now I have become.
Now you've
for sure.
become.
एक मैं बता रहा था जो कमरा है जिसको हमने glass partition दिया हुआ है. So we set up a table over there, and that's where we have our games night. So we play Catan 3 to 4 times in a week, and followed by Ludo for some reason.
You know, I love it. It's kind of like nostalgia.
It's so much fun.
Yeah, it's
It
fun.
is so much fun.
It is.
So yeah, so you know, there's a sense of stability. It just keeps you grounded, just keeps you centered. I haven't forgotten who I have been all my life. I have grown up in Andheri East, JB Nagar, and I was literally there yesterday playing with my friends cricket. It was a Sunday, so I said, "Kiya, chalo, chalte hain, khelte hain wahan pe." Just, you know, relive those memories. So I've always been connected to my roots,
Kind
and
of keeps you rooted.
Oh yeah, and I really like it. I'm the most myself when I'm with that bunch of people. Yeah.
I love it. Okay, I'm standing right in front of this place that I want to show you, and it is of course, ta-da! No, cannot complain. It's nicely done also. You have some very nice. अगर आप देखोगे आपने बहुत प्यारे तरीके से space को utilize करते हैं. You have those again boho chic.
Yeah.
You know, those are those you know, rattan and stuff and all of that. So it's wonderful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. यहाँ से हम निकलने वाले थे लेकिन इस स्ट्रक्चर का तो मुझे बात करना पड़ेगा. It's interesting. Again, white and gold.
Yeah.
Obviously, again the hues of browns, white, gold.
Correct. So we just found the space and we just thought it made sense, and because we were, like I said, we were in Dubai, we were shopping for everything, so we said कि यार एक दो चीजें extra ही ले लो, कम ना पड़े. So that is why this happened. Yeah, it turned out to be nice.
The reason I'm asking about this is also that I don't see too many कि ऐसे very you know, very fancy paintings or photographs. Usually लोग क्या assume करते हैं एक छोटा सा corner है वहाँ पे बस उतना ही है. I don't see you like splashing your house like.
No, we didn't want it to be loud. It needed to feel. Honestly, अगर आप entrance से लेकर यहाँ तक that we have walked, there are 3 separate types of flooring.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, but they have somehow just merged well. So that's how we just wanted to keep the house कि कुछ ऐसा अजीब तरीके से stand out ना हो, which doesn't go with the house.
It needs to be comforting.
Yes.
Feels like a house.
It can't be jarring at all.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
तो चलिए हम चलते हैं अब entertainment के rooms में जहाँ पे लोगों को entertain किया जाता है.
जी.
तो यहाँ पे बहुत beautiful corners हैं जो इन्होंने create किया है. Let's go find one. It says drama, so we have to follow the drama.
Oh, I'll tell you why it's called the drama.
Oh, cute. This is super cute.
Thank you.
This is, of course, I call the vanity room.
It's the green room and also it's green in color.
I love that.
So there was a small jokes that we had in between us.
You know, green room is not that very deep color. Again, you can be like pista green, which goes
Yes.
with the, I think the
It's a little
hue.
royal color of the green. It took us a while to get this color correct. There were multiple patches that we had made, and eventually we got it correct. So the thing about drama is, so
Maybe you need to stand next to the drama. You want to come here and explain
Yes.
what the drama is?
all right. So for everybody, what we do professionally, हम drama करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
सुबह से रात तक हमारा काम ही ये है. And so there's a show, there's a series called The Entourage.
Yes, love
So
it.
all the guys know about Entourage.
I know.
Girls also too. So my favorite character from the show and my favorite character ever written is Johnny Drama.
Oh yeah, he's so sweet.
I love Johnny
Adorable.
Drama. That is why drama.
Goofy. Oh really? It comes from that.
It stems from that, and then obviously it became कि अरे हम भी तो यही करते हैं ना. But it came from drama.
But of course, warm lights दिख रहे हैं मुझे. Everything is done. I see all of that. And फिर एक छोटा सा corner जहाँ पे greenery है. I think it's important, ना?
Yeah. So fortunately in this house we have a flower bed in every room. So it just adds to the vibe a lot more. You just feel fresher up. रात को ना अगर so मेरे कमरे में I don't know what's it called in English, but वो रात रानी जो होता है.
जी बिल्कुल.
So-
It smells so good.
Yes. So we keep the windows open in the night, and we could just smell the beautiful.
I love it. I love how the focus is on getting light, on more air, flowers.
Yeah.
It's the way we have to live, you know,
Absolutely.
in this time. But
इसमें मुझे खुशी होनी चाहिए घर में रह के.
बिल्कुल full length mirror check out करने से पहले.
यहाँ पे हम तैयार होते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारा पूरा hair, makeup सब कुछ होता है.
much
इस
time?
कमरे में.
How much time do you take? And how much time does Anushka take?
She's very quick if she does it on her own.
Yeah.
She'll be ready in with her hair, with her makeup, with her clothes in 35 to 40 minutes.
Not bad, huh?
When she does it on her own, she's extremely quick.
Wow.
मैं जो दाढ़ी ट्रिम करनी पड़ती है, जो समय लगता है उस समय.
So you take more time.
I end up taking a lot more time than her for some reason.
I love the honesty. And it's okay. You're being honest.
I don't know. Am I lazy? Am I slow? Is she fast? Because all I have to do is towel up my hair, towel dry it. My hair is ready. I just have to wear clothes, and she still does it before I do.
From one interesting room to another, because यहाँ से बहुत सारे ऐसे sweet sitting corners बनाए हुए हैं. I feel like it's just easier for people when there are more people to have little corners to go and also sit. And
that was the idea.
That was the idea.
Yes, that's why we had this as she calls it the formal living room. That is an informal living room. वहाँ पे टांग वांग उठा के रखो, लेटो जो करना है.
यहाँ पे सभ्य तरीके से बैठो.
हाँ, वो सफेद सोफा है ना थोड़ा सा.
That's true. But it's I think it's lovely. It's
Thank you.
Again, minimal, very minimal, yet very nicely done. Tell me a little on this. Why do we have this here? Is there a significance? ये वाला जो painting है.
Anushka just found this painting and she thought it's a very nice one, and it just goes with the house because the colors are things that soothe you.
Yeah, and is a part of.
It goes with the house. Yeah.
I think every color here is there in this theme. Can you tell me things that you've picked up on your travels? Because I know we always do that. I know a lot of stuff is from Dubai, but other places, are the interesting stuff that we have?
Yeah, for sure. There's some over there that I can show you.
Please.
In the niche over here, if you can follow me. Okay. So, जैसे कि ये जो 3 pieces आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, this was mine and Anushka's first trip together. To Agra.
Is Taj Mahal.
Yeah, we saw
that
Taj Mahal.
Beautiful couple picture.
Yeah. This is from another travel of ours. This
Ariel.
was Ariel. This was my first ever trip when I had gone to the US with her.
Is this LA?
Yeah, this was actually further away. This was in a place next to San Diego or San Francisco. It was called Solvang. If you ever go, please go to Solvang.
Okay.
It is an old Danish town and it looks like it's out of a Disney World. It is beautiful.
I love it.
I'll show you. I'll show that.
Okay, I want to see that.
This PA I had picked up from Edinburgh, Scotland.
So cute. Of course, it significance bhi.
Also, this is Lavian Rose Play hota hai isme. So this was also another one from our travels.
I love these things. Sister corrects a lot of all like.
So this chashma, that belongs to my dad. So in his memory, and because he always has a mustache, so that is why we place it over here. This actually belongs to my grandfather.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like the OG. Oh my God! Can I see it?
Please, of course.
Oh wow! True antique, na?
Yeah. It had a leather covering and casing to it also. I think that got lost somewhere.
It's so fascinating.
Yeah, that's why I've kept it over here. This belongs to Anushka's nani.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah, so very fascinating woman, very lovely woman. So
I love how you have kept these really special pieces in your house and made them a part of your house.
This belongs to my grandmother.
So cute.
One of the most fabulous ladies anybody ever had the chance to meet. Yeah. So yeah, this is a sort of memory wall. This is painted by Anushka. Lockdown में उसको कुछ चस्का चढ़ा and she thought let me just try painting and she succeeded.
Succeeded? बहुत अच्छी painting
है. So this is by her. This is also by her. There are a few other pieces around the house which are done by her.
So cute. I love it. ये वाला जो structure है यहाँ पे, क्या आपको लगता है ये भी is it picked up from somewhere or have you found this here somewhere?
No, we picked it up from somewhere.
Very
again,
cute.
In one of our travels, we found
Looks very Bali to me. I don't know why. है ना?
Yes, it does, but we've not been to Bali. So, but yeah, one of our travels again.
But that's what, na? I feel like when you make जो travel का हिस्सा अपने घर का हिस्सा बनाते हो तो you kind of it becomes a part of your memory.
Absolutely,
and,
absolutely.
Nicely
and
done.
You have a story to tell about it.
Always.
You know, you always remember ये कहाँ से pick up किया था, क्यों pick up किया था. It just becomes a memory for you.
So true. It's the house. I think you all have made a very beautiful home. So congratulations for that.
Thank you.
Shall we go to another very favorite corner? I already see that it looks so cozy.
Yes, please.
मुझे लगता है this is by Anushka.
This is also by Anushka.
Love it. This painting is so cute. Yeah. It feels like it's a moment like she is sitting by the sea and enjoying it.
Literally, when she painted it, I said, it looks like you.
See?
It looks like a tall girl also. I said, this is you for sure.
Yeah, okay.
So, ये बहुत ही अजीब सी चीज़ है. तो this is like a small stool that we had, and we liked it, so we picked it up.
Where did you pick it up from? Dubai?
I'm guessing. But the only thing was that we didn't realize while we were buying it, these are the exact colors that are on our dog.
Oh.
Exact colors.
Why haven't we seen your dog? I'm a very dog person.
She's scared of people. She's a rescue dog, so she's scared of people when there are a bunch of
many
people at home. So yeah. So
Maybe
then
I'll
we
pet
send her.
her later.
100%. I'll call her. She's in the other house in the B-wing, like I mentioned.
Sweet.
So she's chilling over there.
How sweet. We must talk about the lovely dog.
Oh, we will. So,
Did she?
when people come over and कभी ये देखते हैं ऐसे कि it's Miha's hair, and I say it so casually.
You say it like that?
Yeah, so they take two things. I said, what? I said, yeah, when she sheds and her hair falls, so we made this out of that, and they actually buy it.
You are so evil. And they be like, क्या? वो अपने कुत्ते के बाल को निकाल के उसके
कुत्ते को टकला करके ये कर रहे हो?
ये एस्थेटिक के नाम पे क्या चल रहा है? I think now हम काफी टाइम तक घूम रहे हैं. अब हम ये कॉर्नर कोजी है. We want to
बैठ जाओ यार, यही वो.
sit. Oh,
This is an informal.
This exactly feels like how it should feel.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes. See, this line is what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, it's so cute.
It's so random, but we liked it. It doesn't go with the house, but we liked it, so we picked it up. Again, in one of our travels.
This one. Kahan? You remember where you got that from? No.
Guessing London it was.
Ah, what is this antiquish book which is not a book?
Oh, it's not a book at all.
But it is like the shape is.
The shape is like a book, but it's not a book at all.
Can I see what this is? It looks so interesting.
So there are
so
remotes.
nice.
All the remotes, all the coasters.
All you Instagram house aesthetic people, take notes.
Yep.
People take notes.
Yeah, smart thinking.
सामने है, of course, the very important television.
So this is one thing that I had to put my foot down on. I said for everything else I'm okay. The way you want to make the house, I said मुझे अपने living room में TV तो चाहिए. I said if there is a game going on, maybe football, maybe cricket, something important happening.
Viewing it, we're watching a place.
तो क्या हमारे बिस्तर पे बैठा के सुला के लोगों को दिखाओगे? नहीं होने वाला ना वो. So that is why I said I fought for this. I said I want one, and then we eventually got it. And then a lot of TV viewing happens over here. FIFA का जो वर्ल्ड कप हुआ था फाइनल हमने यहीं पे बैठ के देखा था.
You know, we are talking about the viewing place और यहाँ पे elements वहाँ black है तो I can see कि आपने यहाँ black elements, black और ये black and gold. So suddenly a little bit of black has been introduced very cleverly.
Yes.
That's how you all wanted to do it, isn't it?
Yes. Also it's a TV viewing area mostly, so it's a little places that you can make a little darker. It just looks nicer.
It
so,
is.
हल्के elements of black somewhere or the other.
हम मीहा की बात कर रहे थे. कहानी जाननी है मुझे. Where did you rescue her from? And tell us a little more about your baby.
She's an idiot. She's an absolute idiot. So basically, a friend of mine. So he rescues dogs and gives it up for adoption. So through him is how we found Miha, and she was from a litter of 3 dogs, 1 male and 2 females, and we wanted a female dog.
Of course.
And that's how we found Miha. So we were literally confused between these 2 sisters. Yeah, whatever she wants, she gets her way. Because even if she pees in the house, oh no, mama, beta, me beta. I said, don't do that.
You're trying to train and failing.
Because of them. She's scared of me for sure. If I love her a lot.
Strict,
I'm strict with her if I
have to have
be.
an authority. I agree.
Yes, with her, with them, with Anushka and Akansha, she gets away with every goddamn thing.
What are your favorite shows that you've been binging? Some performances of films that you've loved this year?
A lot of them, no doubt. Abhi to we're watching this one show called Based on a True Story. Sector 36 was something that we had seen, was fabulous. Recently, we started watching Family Man. हमने देखा नहीं था पहले for some reason. And what a show! We binged both the seasons back to back. Also, she's in bed for a month, so we have been watching quite a few things. We watched this one show which is called From. Don't watch it, please. It's the slowest burner ever. You know, Madgaon, so funny. We had gone to see it in the theatre, and again, my entire college wale friends, because we enjoyed that kind of a comedy. Before the film got over, people from the back started running towards the front and said, don't leave. Turned out to be Kunal.
Yeah.
Divyendu was there.
And Prateek.
Prateek wasn't there. Avinash was there. and they were just speaking
Yeah,
to everybody, and it was a nice moment.
Yeah.
And I thought, okay, acha hai yaar, but the film was very nice.
But you're talking about comedy, so we should talk about Khel Khel Mein.
Please.
I enjoyed it. How did you perceive that it you know, you tried something really different from what you've been doing? Again, comedy के अंदर वो सब चीजें कर पाना is not an easy task, and then I know it didn't do well at the box office, which is unfortunate. How do you deal with everything else, and how do you deal with that?
See, I don't take success or failure to heart in any way. It is not my job to be bowed down by it or go up by it. I enjoy the craft of this.
बिल्कुल.
Is why I do what I do. हाँ, अगर film और चल जाती, we would have earned more money. I would have been happier for the producer. Nothing in my life would have changed because I'm very content with what we created. तो मुझे उस बात की बड़ी खुशी है कि 100 reasons हो सकते हैं कि audience ने जाके नहीं देखा, but whoever has seen it, the popular opinion is that it is a beautifully amazing film, comedy, and the story was amazing. All credit to
say, right?
yeah, all credit to my director, who's also the writer, and his writing was beautiful. यार आप सोचो ना यार, the entire film, चलो 85% of the film is in one room.
जी बहुत मुश्किल
To
होता है.
keep that, to keep the audience engrossed for 2 hours like that, it's not an easy job at all.
Absolutely.
And I think he succeeded in doing that. Beautifully written characters, हर एक का turmoil अलग, हर एक just dealing with a lot of different things. So I don't know how I dealt with this film, because when I was shooting for the film, my character was a more serious one. I wasn't the one who was going to be involved in comedy in any way. I had moments, and I did a speak to my director. I said, should I? He said, nahi, I want your character to not be the funny man. I said, okay, if it comes in its way, then it does. So when I was shooting for it, I treated it entirely like an intense drama, because that is what it was for me. फिर जब मैंने edit जाके देखा, I said, ये क्या है? ये तो funny film है यार मेरी. ये कैसे हो गया? And but it was far better than what I had envisioned. And then I just added 2 and 2 together. I said, मुदस्सर अजीज ने लिखी है, मुदस्सर अजीज ने डायरेक्ट की है, वो आदमी कॉमेडी फिल्म्स बनाता है, तो obviously ये कॉमेडी फिल्म है. How did I not see it? But the love that the film has gotten, अभी तो Netflix पे भी आ गई है, so it's been in the top 10 for the last
quite some time.
Quite some time. It's been, I think 10 to 12 weeks it's been in top 10, so I'm extremely happy about that.
हम बात कर रहे थे प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें कुछ टाइम पहले. We were talking about how she came in charge and you all started dating. Did you know the moment where you fell in love?
उसका एक I don't think एक particular answer है. मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत सोचा है, because कईयों ने मुझसे ये सवाल पूछा है.
When did you know the moment when you fell in love?
No, what is love?
Sure.
Love in that sense.
But I think your answer can be from the perspective when you understood that you're in love with her. That can be considered.
I'll tell you what for me love is, and हर एक का definition अलग होगा, because based on their experiences it's going to be like that. For me, what I have realized is she's made me fall in love with myself. She's shown me something that I didn't know about myself. She sees a lot more in me than I ever did. I'm not saying I wasn't confident enough or something, but there was something that she's shown me जो मुझे भी नहीं पता था, and she just made me like myself a lot more, and that is where I feel कि यार that person is definitely in love with me, to see these things that I haven't seen, and I'm definitely in love with her because I see things that she doesn't see in herself. So that's how you just keep pulling each other. और ये वो नहीं होता कि अरे बोल के कि यार you did such a nice job by this. It's just innate in you that somebody sees the inner you and is able to tell you that you're this, and this is why I love you, and you feel कि अच्छा यार मैं maybe you're right about me, and I just started liking myself a little more, and that is what for me love was, that she got that side out of me and I was able to get that side out of her.
जो आपको पता नहीं था?
बिल्कुल नहीं पता था, बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता था.
How sweet.
Yeah. One moment, I don't know.
Many maybe.
Yes, it was over some few months. But the first time I met her, I very, very well remember the entire night, the entire evening. But I'll tell you what, we started dating on October 6, 2017.
He remembers dates. Cute.
दिवाली भी थी ना उस दिन.
It's okay. I like it.
Yeah.
You remember the date, own it.
No, I
You
do.
remember dates, so good with it.
I remember the date not because it was Diwali, but I remember because what happened.
Okay.
So some incident had happened, and that was the date we went back to her house, and I told her I was with her, and I said, I'm not leaving till you say yes to date me. I said, I want to date you. I'm asking for a relationship. Usually guys don't do that. You just try it. If if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, then it's fine. So I sort of compelled her. I'm not giving advice.
कि मौका दे दो.
मौका दे दो.
Convince बोल दो ना.
Convince कर दिया मैंने कि मुझे मौका दे दो. वो convince फिर भी नहीं थी, पर मैंने जबरदस्ती की ना थोड़ी सी. ऐसे no, I'm not going. I'm not going to be leaving.
Cute. Okay.
Because I was sure. At that point of time, I was sure that I am going to end up with this girl. So this is October 6th. We traveled for the first time that New Year's. And I wanted to carry a ring. I wanted to propose her at that time because I was 100% sure. So in just 3 months of dating, I was sure that I'm going to end up with this girl.
फिर तो आपने proposal भी काफी plan किया था. I know you all did the videos and stuff like that. A lot of.
Yeah. So we were traveling for her birthday. I had decided that I'm going to, give her a promise ring, even if not ask her to marry me. I'll give her a promise ring because I needed to have permission from her parents and all of that. वो सब मैंने नहीं किया था. It was just my gesture to let her know that these are my intentions for you. तो हम travel कर रहे थे and so I had made a video of all her friends, her family, and सबसे मैंने coordinate किया जिनको मैं जानता भी नहीं था. सबको phone करके I said कि give me like a 30 second, 1 minute, however long. It's your wish to her. So they all sent it to me, all her cousins and blah blah blah. And the cutest was the video starts with my niece who is in love with Anushka.
Yeah.
And she said hi. She used to call her Anishka. She was much younger that time. Hi Anishka, I love you. Happy birthday. And then it goes into her friends, goes into her family. And the last video was me. And so she's already sobbing and उसका आँखों में आंसू है. She's seeing it on the iPad and she's like, oh my god, this is so cute. And then and I'm behind her. Alright, and then I come up in the video and I say that there are so many things that I want to tell you, but I just don't have the words. So why don't you just turn around? And she turned around and I was holding the ring.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was a birthday.
I love it. So cute.
Yeah.
कौन ना बोल सकता है ऐसे? कौन ना बोल सकता है? बताओ. I love it. I'm very happy for
and
you
I did
guys.
it in the most romantic city, Paris.
Oh wow.
So I planned all of that up.
I see why this works so beautifully. कहा जाता है इस इंडस्ट्री में कि जहाँ पे इतना सब कुछ हो रहा होता है, you always meet very attractive people all the time. That's just one aspect. Then you have so much time देना मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Yeah.
I feel like you all have created your own little world
Yeah.
in this chaos.
Yeah.
And this world that I'm sitting in right now, and or maybe otherwise. मुश्किल हुआ होगा थोड़ा in the beginning, but I think you got a hang of it, right?
I don't know if you have the hang of it. We're just going by the day. For us, it's like I can't be without you for more than 3-4 days. I need you around. So we played by ear like that. हाँ कभी कभार मुश्किल होती है कि हाँ नहीं we are away from each other for a longer period of time, but that just makes your heart fonder. So when we meet again, so it just feels like you're dating again. वो relationship एक नया spark आ जाता है. Not that the spark goes away, but it just extra spark मिल जाता है ना. So
effort ज़रूरी है.
हाँ तो वो it's good. But yeah, we just played by ear. We don't plan it like that.
But there is no formula.
There is no formula.
But if someone asks you for an advice saying that you seem to be doing okay, tell us what's making the relationship work.
Such a difficult thing to answer because there's not one thing that I can point out towards.
Maybe some things, because I feel like you guys communicated each other, so I feel like you have an answer for this.
I don't know. It's just the love that we have for each other that just keeps us going. But yes, there are few do's and don'ts that we have. Like the respect for each other is always going to be constant. There are few lines, even during fights, there are few lines that you do not cross.
So true.
You cannot abuse each other. It's an absolute no-no because once that line is crossed,
so
then
true.
See, हर चीज में जो सबसे पहला स्टेप होता है वो सबसे मुश्किल होता है. तो once you've crossed that line that you have started abusing each other, then you'd never know it snowballs into
Yeah.
whatnot. So that is one thing we
Yeah.
decided, this is never gonna happen. Whatever it be,
I love that.
and never fight in public. You can have your differences, you come home and then you sort them. Please, लड़ लो एक दूसरे से. Speak your minds out about whatever it is. अंदर रखोगे तो either
need to.
you're compromising or either I'm compromising.
बिल्कुल.
Just speak it out so that you learn from each other. I may have some issues with her that she has understood where it comes from, where my issues come from, and then she's tried to work around it. I know what issues that she has with me, so I'm trying to work around it.
Thank you, that was lovely.
Thank
And
you.
before we go up to show you some beautiful rooms, करते एक fun सा round about your house and otherwise. Are you ready?
Okay, okay.
Say yes.
Bring it on.
Bring it on. Okay, 3 things you don't leave the house without.
Phone, wallet, water.
Okay, great. Something that has to be beside your bed table.
Water.
Okay. Which side of the bed is yours, and are you possessive about it?
If I'm lying down, then the right side is mine. I'm not really possessive about it, but this was decided because bathroom us taraf hai, so I give her that.
Okay, logic.
Yeah.
Okay, favorite corner in the house?
Favorite corner, our bedroom is something that I'm very comfortable with. Otherwise, it's the space.
Okay, I love it.
Yeah.
One thing, the first thing that you do when you are entering your house after a very, very hectic day.
Walk up till here, see the house. Somehow it just makes me happy. Sense of achievement. लगता है कि यार this is my house from where I've come.
Correct.
लगता है कि ये मेरा घर है. Believe नहीं होता फिर मैं ऊपर चला जाता हूँ कि हाँ. It's like a bubble that I'm living in. I'm happy about it.
Very cute. घर में बहुत सारी प्यारी प्यारी चीजें देखी. If I ask you to take out one inanimate object जो है, जो sentimental value ना भी हो, कुछ for some reason you love it. What object would that be and why?
Ooh.
Any artifact can be a piece of anything. But sometimes you know you vibe with things like that. ये मेरा, it's something that I like about this.
मेरी नजर वहाँ पे जाती है. My grandfather's camera and my father's chashma.
How sweet.
मेरी नजर उस पे जाती है.
है ना? That is your favorite
Yeah.
thing in the house. I love that. Okay. My mother always tells me कि you know घर से बाहर निकल के वक्त आप थोड़ा टाइम लेके बैठ जाओ और फिर you know do like a little bit of naman and then you leave.
So Anushka got into Hanuman Chalisa. She started listening to it. So
Correct.
that has become a ritual that we listen to it every day.
Okay. What is the song that you are currently not being able to get it out of your head and why?
ऐसे गाने तो बहुत सारे हैं. मैं यार मेरे को नाम भी नहीं पता उसका because it's a track that I'm listening. It's a track called Kamili.
Okay.
Yeah, it's something that I use when I'm working out. I hate doing cardio, but that just keeps you pumped.
Kamili.
So it's a very good track. So it's good when you're running. So that's one thing that I constantly keep listening to.
Have you ever snooped into your partner's phone ever in any relationship?
In any relationship, most definitely.
Yeah, sometime or the other when you are.
When
It's
you're
not a good
unsure
feeling,
about
is it?
Horrible. Nothing good comes out of it.
Yeah,
Nothing good.
That is why. That's another reason why I would rather be delusional. You know what I'm saying?
You know, after I heard one of my girlfriends speaking to somebody over the phone, like I overheard it, and I was like, I wish I had. It was horrible, terrible time for me.
Oh my
So I was like,
God.
I wish I had known this.
This is bad. So खेल में actually must have been triggering in some way. When you're doing like हुआ तो वैसे मेरे साथ.
ये तो कुछ नहीं हुआ है जो मैंने देखा था जो फिल्म में हुआ तो कुछ भी नहीं था.
Oh God, I'm so sorry I had to go there, but you learn.
Oh yes, such a learning experience. The
Like, oh,
first ever heartbreak. It's important to feel it.
है ना?
Yeah. वो ये breakup होता है ना वो अलग बात है. वो heartbreak जब होता है ना, that teaches you a lot of things.
That's true. It's true. अच्छा cute couple की बात करें तो cute couples अपने आप को नाम भी देते हैं. Are there names that you have given each other?
No, I just call her baby. Anush is
Does
something.
she call you something? Any funny?
So because of Anushka, it becomes Babushka. And that is what I call her.
Cute.
She's extremely tall. That's why her name on my phone is small.
Oh.
Yeah, She
Okay.
calls me banana bread.
Okay. Does she like banana bread?
I like it banana bread.
Oh.
That is why she's named it. So her phone, if anybody calls,
Correct.
it says the name. So mine is banana bread whenever I call. It says banana bread calling.
Very cute. अब obviously romantic चीजें तो आपने बहुत सारी की है. Clearly you're someone who makes a little effort in that. But what's the most romantic someone's done for you?
Every gift that she's ever given,
Yeah.
be it small, be it big, it's not it's not what the gift is.
Yeah.
It's a gesture behind it. She knows how to personalize
How
things. She just knows how to
What
personalize.
was the one gift that you went like, oh my god, this is amazing?
The watch that I'm wearing right now.
Ooh, can I see it?
Yes, please.
Love it. Can you see that? Show it.
This was the watch that she had gifted
So
me.
cute.
And I've never worn watches, so this was like the first one. She saw that I don't
Yeah,
wear watches,
yeah.
and she got me a nice one.
So cute.
And so she just personalizes a lot of things. She knew that one time my phone was खत्म हो चुका था, बड़ा
बिल्कुल.
पुराना सा मैं use कर रहा था. I didn't even know. I think it was a Christmas. And randomly she got me one box covered ये वो, and I was absolutely not expecting it because we didn't even speak about me wanting to change the phone.
Yeah,
But she just thinks 2 steps ahead and she just does it.
It's too cute. Okay, this is an interesting one. हम लोग hosting parties की बात कर रहे थे. I'll give you names of actors. You'll have to tell me, they're friends of yours, colleagues. What do you think they'll be doing at a house party if you invite them? ठीक है?
Okay.
This is a fun question. Are you ready? Tell me what Akshay Kumar will be doing in a party.
You'll be the center of attention.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
वो गाना सुनाते हैं सर. हाँ, अपने स्पीकर पे गाने सुनाते रहते हैं सर.
ये गाना सुना है, ये गाना सुना है.
उनके पास नए-नए गाने, पता नहीं, he's taken the rights of so many.
Yeah.
I didn't even know artists, and he has the rights to them. So that's what he'll be doing.
Okay.
In charge of the music.
Alia Bhatt.
Now I think with Raha, I think we'll all be with her, just playing around with Raha.
With Raha, but otherwise, what before Raha?
Phases is what I've seen.
Okay.
At times I've seen her, not partying that much,
Yeah.
and other times I've seen her just go berserk. It's just a comfort, ना अगर पहचान के लोग हैं आसपास, because she has something to protect. पहचान के लोग हैं आसपास, then she's
Higher down, then it's fine. Then with y'all, I'm sure she's goofy and all of
Yeah.
that. That's fine. Okay, Kiara Advani.
ooh. I haven't partied with her at all.
Or hung out.
I don't know what she'd be doing at a party.
No?
The last time I saw her was at Manish's. She looked stunning that night.
Yeah.
So did Sid. But
But poised couple, aren't they? Very, you know?
ऊपर से बन के आए हैं.
Very poised.
Extremely.
Doing like in the corner, doing like hello, all of that. I always see them like that.
This is what I would expect her to do even at parties.
Yeah, she would.
Yeah.
Being her poised self.
Yes. I am Kiara.
Anushka.
Life of the party. Not standing in one place. यहाँ से वहाँ से वहाँ से वहाँ, कभी बार पे if she enjoys a drink or two. So you'll find her at the bar, or then जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा लोग होंगे उसके बीच में खड़ी होगी.
It's kind of cute though.
Oh yeah, she's the life of the party.
Okay, Ananya.
I think she floats around a lot. Like,
Talking
because she
to
knows
everybody,
everybody.
friendly,
Yeah.
and yeah,
Because
yeah,
she knows
cute.
everybody. She mingles with everybody. She's interesting to talk to. So
Tiger.
वो नहीं आएगा.
अगर 9 बजे के पहले हो, अक्षय सर के लिए भी तो 9 बजे के पहले रखना पड़ेगा ना पार्टी.
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो? कभी कभार तो 1-1 बजे तक सर रुके हैं.
Oh. Then he breaks his rule sometimes. Yeah.
At times he does, but then you can see it on his face that he's breaking a very harsh rule of his.
Yeah.
सर को नींद आनी शुरू हो जाती है. And so टाइगर अपने घर पे सो रहा होगा.
वो आएगा ही नहीं.
ना, कोई चांस नहीं.
But it's hardcore, okay?
Oh, he is hardcore. Absolute. एक वो होता है, एक शो के लिए बॉडी होती है ना, ये वो नहीं है. This guy is genuinely tough.
Yeah, it is, it is. What about Akanksha?
Phases again. She's moody. When she lets her hair down, then you don't stop her.
Okay.
I've seen her lick the chocolate off the chocolate fountain and all of that. So I've seen her do that. Mood pe.
Yeah.
She needs her people around.
Okay, the last one very important. Aditya Seal.
Again, mood पे depend करता है. If there are people who I don't know, so you'll find me with one glass of alcohol in my hand.
Yeah.
Otherwise, then it's crazy.
You're the fun person there.
Yeah. Otherwise, मेरे gang हो तो मैं वहाँ पे लेटा हुआ मिलूँ या कहीं पे भी लेटा हुआ मिलूँ. It's just being me.
So you're also fun.
Yes.
But you have to get a little encouragement. Is that how rightly?
Yes. I do need some encouragement.
I love that. I'm very encouraged now to go and check out some lovely rooms out there that I saw. And of course, walking down the beautiful staircase. Shall we do that?
Please do.
Let's go. I've been admiring this for a while.
So we just thought that
Yeah.
we'll fill this up eventually a lot more with more things that will happen in
Correct.
life. Otherwise, it's just a wall of our pictures, our memories. This is हमने एक शादी से पहले ये फोटो शूट किया था, so this picture of that. This is the original picture of my parents का शादी जब भी हुई थी, my mother's picture, my dad. That's again us. This was our wedding day. This was the wedding day, and Anushka's girl gang was in this. This is my lot of friends again from my wedding.
This is the one from all your childhood friends. And
Yes, all my college friends.
all your college friends.
That's that group, and then
I love these pictures.
Thank
And
you.
they're not very posy bhi nahi hai. You know what I'm trying to say?
because the guy just said, "Can you be yourself? Just talk to yourself," and I'll just click some nice pictures, and it just came out. And me, her,
The dog parents.
and Mimi.
यहाँ पे तो बड़ा अच्छा पोज कर रही है यार.
Oh, you have no idea.
She poses.
No, she doesn't.
क्या
You
किया
have to
आपने?
hold her.
Oh.
वो मिल गया मौका, एक पिक्चर मिल गई अच्छी.
This is such a beautiful. I wanna have a quick look at this. This is.
Please.
I love also your wedding. Also, you all didn't do it like how they do it, like this really crazy big
Yeah.
ones. But it was. It still felt very family and very like friends.
It was. Also, it was during COVID, so we didn't have that number of people, which was a blessing in disguise. We like to keep it smaller and cozier, just the people that really matter.
Yeah, that is why I think you all look very happy. Otherwise,
I was happy.
tension होती है बहुत ज़्यादा.
मैं अपने wedding videos
बहुत
देखता
मजा आया.
हूँ. मुझे तो भैया पूछो मत. If you my wedding video, I am just smiling. I'm sitting over there on the mandap and I'm just smiling. I didn't even realize it. But
I love it. Okay, this is cute. I see something here.
Yeah.
This is cute. Well, Anushka and who's we got this made particularly?
So, this was Anushka's best friend that I told you about, who lives like 2-3 buildings down.
Correct.
So he got this made, and this is her life in one picture.
I just
So
love this.
A lot of thought has got into it.
It is. It's again a very cute corner. This is something that you can just come and like have. It's like a library come space to just
Correct.
like brood over.
बैठो वहाँ पे, like I said, there's a distant sea view over there, so the weather is, if they, on a good day, it's a beautiful place to just sit, grab a coffee, grab a book, do what you feel like. I'm not here most of the time. I mean, it's not my space.
Not your space. Looks like yours. It's a very cute picture of her as a child.
Yes.
Such a cute picture. I love it. तो चलिए दिखाइए मुझे अपना rest of the house.
Like I was saying, our snacky is.
The snacking. So tell us, what is this? What is your snacking from? You will show it. This.
Kele ka chips are mine. Kela chips
Kele
over
ke
there.
chips. You will show. Okay, these are his favorite snacking
This
corners.
is mine. This is Anushka. She's a Makhana girl. I'm not.
Kele ke chips. Kele ke chips is yours.
Yeah.
Love it. तो रात में midnight snacking करते हो? I don't think you do midnight snacking at all.
You wish I won't.
हाँ?
कल रात को हमने
अच्छा.
कल रात को 1:30 बजे केक खाया है.
अच्छा ठीक है. I'm suddenly feeling very nice about myself. I was like, Baba, let me not ask on midnight snacking. कहाँ? Okay, I'm feeling.
उस पे ब्लूबेरी था, स्ट्रॉबेरी था, सब कुछ 1:30 बजे खाया हमने.
It's worth it. It's worth it. But lovely. It's again. I feel like you all have chosen the very minimalistic paintings
Correct.
जो नीचे भी था उसी zone में.
Yes, yes.
And we can now admire. यही है वो beautiful piece of art that you picked up. This. Lovely.
That's what in the evenings the light from this is very beautiful.
Yeah, it must look so beautiful
It is.
in the evenings.
Yep.
So here it is. This is the little corridor. Duplex is so difficult to think and plan also, right?
So we got the house as a duplex.
Sure.
We had to break and make
Everything.
every goddamn thing in the house because the previous owners they had 2 living rooms, एक नीचे और एक ऊपर. We didn't want that, so we broke that. We took in the bedroom. So I'll show you my mom's room.
Yeah.
Anushka is resting, so I won't go there.
Of course.
But this is like the guest room that we have.
Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah.
This has got nice view as well, yeah?
Yes, it does. And यहाँ पे there's always a nest over here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's a beautiful small bird that comes in. And you can see the nest over there. I'm not going to touch it, otherwise let's not disturb
Yeah,
it.
so cute.
Yeah.
पर वो देखो मतलब उतना बर्बाद नहीं किया उन्होंने ऐसी चीजें को.
नहीं बहुत अच्छे से रखा. कबूतर घुस जाते थे अंदर and they would just lay their eggs over here.
I know.
But that became a little bit of a nuisance, so we had to
It
stop
is,
that. Otherwise, it's small birds, please come in.
Yeah,
Do
please
what
come
you
and
want.
chill and all of that. It's such a lovely place. Again, I love it. I love how even the areas that you've chosen for like bed sheets and stuff. I think you're like choosing like this little flowery, a little bit of whites and stuff, no?
Yeah. Again, just trying to. I don't want it to be standing
Loud.
out a lot. Yeah.
But I love this. It's a beautiful room, yaar. Rattan, you have again lovely woodwork. Just perfect. Minimalist, and that's how it should be. This is your mother's. This is your mother's room. Beautiful.
So this is my mother's room. Like I said, we took the living room into the bedroom, so she gets her own space over here a little bit.
So cute.
Yeah.
She feels at peace here also. The room is very sweet.
Yeah.
है ना?
It is.
It's nicely done. Can you? I love those paintings you've chosen. Is there a story behind, or it was just?
I think my mom chose those.
So cute.
Yeah, it looks nice.
I love it. It's a very nicely done room. It's a little corner. All those little things that you've added also, I feel like.
This
was
is
that your idea?
This was mine because this. Do you have a phone on you right now? So it just gets more amplified like that. This is where Diwali pujas happen, in this corner of the house.
Yeah. Also, it's a spiritual corner. Nice.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Again, this does your mother like bougainvillea?
Yes. So she's always wanted. She kept telling me, "Meko flowers चाहिए यहाँ पे." I don't care about the plants. Plants as such give me some good flowers. So that is why she's filled it up with. उस तरफ भी है. She's planted a lot of rose. जो rose नहीं आते हैं.
Correct.
So.
Nicely
But then,
put.
yeah.
But so pretty again. Very with the theme. I think bougainvillea, white bougainvillea बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
The couch, everything is fitted very well, very neatly done.
So also a lot of things are from the previous house. So we've just changed the upholstery. Like so it has a lot of memories. Like ये couch मेरा एक gaming room था पिछले घर में.
Oh, but it's a nice couch, yeah.
Yeah, so we changed the upholstery.
It's not a very, how do I put it, single man's couch. It's a very, all of us like the couch. You know what
This
I mean?
was my.
You said gaming couch. I was expecting it to be one of those black leather couches, very typical.
No.
है ना? But
yeah, but no. It was a green color couch though, velvety green. This was my dad's chair in the previous house.
Oh,
so
how
we
sweet.
got that and we just changed the upholstery a little bit. So everything has.
Beautiful.
It's just done in a way that, with some thought.
I love it. This is just feels complete. Oh, that's cute.
Again, my mom's choice.
Yeah, that's really cute. Okay, now tell us, we are going to go back. Pretty much we've covered the whole house, which is fantastic.
Unfortunately, I'm not letting you in my bedroom
Yeah.
because Anushka is not well, so she's lying down.
That's fine. But it is pretty much how it is. Your room
Yeah.
also is structured this way. How
This
is
is a
your
very
room?
different color. It's grey in color, and it's
like it.
again beautifully done. And we've put जैसे neon जैसे drama था, वैसे we've put flying me to the moon on,
So
on
cute.
the wall like that.
Oh, I love it. That looks fantastic. मैंने सुना वो आपकी knees का corner है जहाँ पे I saw all the structures.
मेरा corner है वो.
Oh, मेरा?
All the figures are
Why
mine.
did you say? Oh, I love it.
All the
Can
figures
we?
are
We
mine.
should come here. Come,
It's
let's
it'll be a
go.
little dirty though, but please suit yourself.
But what did it say knees are gonna? I got so excited because I'm like, oh my god, figurines.
Yeah, it's all.
I'm a huge Iron Man fan. So what? I also have.
Iron Man तो मेरा नीचे पड़ा हुआ है ना वहाँ
But
पे.
I am a massive Iron Man fan.
So I don't go close to it because it's all dirty right now because I haven't cleaned it up at all.
But ये इनका prized collection है.
बहुत
बताइए
सालों से.
इनको.
जैसे एक MCU create कर रहा हूँ मैं अपनी खुद की. So you see Thor, you see Iron Man is down there, helmet is down there. We have
This
Captain
feels-
America. I have a Captain America shield also, the broken shield.
Oh.
Hulk है, and I've been a huge wrestling fan all throughout my life. So
I
that's
see
why
that.
you see John Cena, you see The Rock, you see Austin, you see Yokozuna, Triple H, a bunch of them. So yeah, I've
This
been
is-
collecting them for a very long time now.
I think figurines are important जिनको उनकी value पता है और उनकी emotional connect पता है. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. I also Iron Man.
It's only an emotional connect.
Yeah,
My
always.
entire childhood went into wrestling, so that's why I have those
I
figurines and
know,
all of that.
nostalgia.
Absolutely.
तो चलिए अब हम चलते हैं नीचे की तरफ. Thank you so much. It really feels that this house has been made with a lot of love
Yes.
and a lot of thought as well.
Thank
So
you. Thank you for coming over.
Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting us. I've had such a wonderful time knowing you a little better. And you're of course an amazing person. But मुझे the kind of investment that you've done emotionally in your relationships in the house and in everything in life, I think is beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad I could share this with you. I'm so glad you're here.
Thank you so much. Thank you once again. Again, I'm going to go where come and what do you say? Crash one of your parties to
We're gonna
really
invade the-
see you when you're in your fun person.
We're gonna invade the bar the next time you're here.
Damn. Thank you so much once again. And we are saying bye.